All right, welcome to my channel. I see you for the first time. My name is Maximum aka the Living Date. All right. So in this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to do top analysis and entries, because that is actually the problem we are having. All right. So yeah, let's go to the shop. NZ. All right. So I'll clean everything up, and then I'll do top analysis on this pair, and then we'll look at the entries. I'll do the noise you are hearing, alright? You just know this staple now, it's like alright, so you just have to pay attention. So your top analysis is a process for entries, alright? So I only use two time frames to my students. So the first time frame is the daily time frame, alright, the daily time frame, alright. You'll be looking just with your physical eyes, just look at it. If it is bearish, leave that place. Don't go and start looking at structure. What I do is I actually mark out my range. If I mark out my bullish range, alright. Alright. You don't want to miss this video for now, alright? You want to wait for me. Don't mind the noise, pay attention. It's not even much. So now, this is what you do. Just this. Your daily time frame, just look at it and know the bias, alright? 1 hour time frame. Yeah. 30, alright? 30 minutes. You can even use your 15 minutes, or the lowest should be your 5 minutes, except you are looking for hidden fair value. So this is what I want you to understand. Alright. Look at the daily time frame, know your bias. 2 hours, mark out your range. The range on the premise of what you are seeing on the daily time frame. Then if it's bullish, if it's bearish market, then your entries can be on the 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Very simple. So let us apply all this. Alright, let us apply all this to this per ADNZ. It's very simple, stop complicating. This is ADNZ. So we go to the daily time frame. Do not do any analysis, just look at it. So that means we are only going to buy. Now, if you want to take the counter trend, it's also possible. Alright. But know that you'll be 80% safe if you are no, if you're 70% safe if you are following the growth trend. If you are taking the counter trend, you'll be 30% safe. So we are bullish. So what the next one to do is go to your 2 hours. So if it's a major break of structure. Alright, so you mark it out. Alright, you mark it out this way. You have that break of structure. So if price is breaking structure upwards, it means that this market is below that price should not take out if this bullish trend will continue. So technically now, what should you expect? You expect a pullback. You expect a pullback bearish can close to that demand. There's a fair value gap between. Alright, so that's a fair value gap. So that is a very powerful. Yeah, it's a very powerful demand. So this is our 2 hours demand. Very 2 hours demand. Alright, it's very clear. Let me make this clear. So that's our 2 hours demand. So what should you expect now? You expect price to pull back. Alright, you expect price to pull back. Alright, into this area, and you are buying. It's as simple as that. Obviously, you could see that price created equal highs, a form of liquidity. All right, you should read it before coming down. For me to have a change of character to enable that pullback, not overall bearish, to enable a candle closure, this because this is why we had our major to sell to buy. It's also possible in the market. All right, so currently now on the 1 hour. All right, anytime we come to anytime you need 2 hours time frame and a lower time frame, you have to look at your demand and see it's also correct. Right? So what you should do is to wait. If you see we have a liquidity, if one doesn't want liquidity, online liquidity there, my name is liquidity. All right, I know all those things. All right, so this is liquidity there. Even my students do know. So it's either you wait for time, all right. I've seen that if you take a sell on this time frame, for instance, and then you target this low, all right. The same time it will take you before price to yeah, you see the same time it will take if you take this trade on the 30 minutes, on the 5 minute, 1 hour, 1 second. You see the same time that it take. It's just that on all those time frames there will be a lot of noise. Price will pull back, push up again, come down. As far as you know this, if you are on a one very low time frame, alright, 1 hour, 30 minutes, at most 5 minutes, okay. So for now, is it good to sell? No. But remember, we have equal for changing character, pulling back to sell. So you don't see anything there. Alright. This is how we do. So you wait. You wait. Price cannot buy forever. Price will pull back to come and rest, to come and take liquidity. You hear what I'm saying? So just wait. This is time to wait. The reason why people are losing is because they're not patient enough. It's supposed to buy this guy. You target the eye that very, very simple. So wait for that pullback. And then that means a closure so that you have that change of character down here. So that you have that change of character. Alright. Down here. So that movement to this and then you short from there. The 30-minute time frame is still the same thing that you will see. Alright, it's still the same thing. But I won't take any of this at break of structure. This is where I want price to come and take. Prepare for total analysis. So let's go to the second one. If you have any pair that is giving you issue, alright. If you have any pair that is giving you issue that we are in, alright, this trade. Let me why am I selling it? Because overall gold is bullish, alright. Now, what happened there was it's very much good that we are taking that pullback. So you go to your 2 hours, the market, alright. This structure indication. And what are the indication for price pulling back? The 1 hour time frame. You will see what gold did take. Technically, as there's a supply there. As price tapped it, this price swept and then had a change of character there. So after change of character, that went in favor. So we are it will continue that pullback. This is how you do this to my students. So we are going to hold it. Yeah, they're going to do very nicely. We are still expecting more downside. No, we are not buying now. Alright, we are not buying now. So that is it. All right. I promise you that we are going to do this on synthetics. All right, on synthetic. But okay, we still have time. So let's see synthetics. Let's see synthetics so that we call it a day. So this is synthetics. Synthetic is controlled by derivative, right? Yeah, let's say synthetics. But that we can still do the same top-down analysis. Anyone is possible, alright. So let's just pick. Okay, this is a basket, alright. So from the daily time frame perspective, obviously you can see that this is bullish. If you don't look at it, it is bullish. All these are pullbacks. All these are pullbacks. All these are pullbacks. If Because of this, you actually need a bearish trend. So that means the daily time frame pullbacks, alright? But the overall trend is bullish. So that's what I want to do. We don't do anything. You could see, remember, I'm looking for our bullish range, alright? So what I'm saying here is that we have this break of structure here that we are bullish overall. Now, if the internal structure has flipped bullish, it means price is now ready to fulfill that bullish buy that we saw from the daily. This high is the protected high that sellers are protecting, alright, that is the protected high there. However, if you want price to pull back like that, you take your trade. It's very simple. So currently now, what should you be doing? You can look for that counter trade. You can counter trade because you know that you are overall bullish. But what you are seeing here is a bearish trend. Provided this high is still intact, it's bearish. So we could confidently take that trade. So for you to do that, let's go to the 1 hour time. So this is the 1 hour time. Our price mitigated this our demand zone there. Alright. That was, and then we had this trend line liquidity sweep here. Okay, so this guy is ready. So this high, if price breaks, okay, let's keep it here. Let's keep it here. All right, so we have gotten a change of character already on the 1 hour time. It's not literally your character, but I'm not using that because this is our protected book. Very simple, very, very simple. All right, stop complicating trading. Follow me, follow the living date. All right, yeah, that's our protected book. So very simple. So now, what should you do? Price is now ready. However, is it good for you to start looking for buys? Let's see what you can see. We have different. We have prices. It's not good to look for that sell because that buy rather because price is so expensive. Alright, so what? Yeah, you can see. You can see we have that trend line liquidity there. We have money there, money. Alright, from here. Don't be aggressive. Alright, you cannot take buy from there. It's just take your choice. So now what you want to do? Wait for price. Do what I You can see price respected it. So now we have this unmitigated. Okay, let me bring this up. Untouched demand zone there. This last bearish candle, price has not touched it, so it's a very powerful candle. So for me, but however, you have relative equal load there. Alright, you have this relative equal load. Equal loads are very powerful. Hope you know. So we have that, and then we also have this demand. So to target this, price will get there because you are bullish. So guys, yeah, if you like what I did, if you like this content, give me a like. But if you are not comfortable with that target, wait for price to pull back. Yeah, to shrink. Upon tapping your price will push to that. Stop complicating it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do so.
You know what? Where this guy
Alright.
tell me send them for this all for 300.
You can decide
I
to
never
close it
see
like
am.
this if you want to.
Where one
So guys,
guy wey dey live
yeah,
for the food, I say get 300.
have a nice day. Alright. If you love what you see, you can give me a like. Thanks.